Sharpening Science, Taste Buds and Foods We Like. In week 1, your class already learned that as we eat and enjoy our food, we don't just taste it, we use all of our senses. But now, let's look closely at the sense of taste. What are taste buds? They are sensory nerve endings found on the surface of the mouth and tongue. These tiny organs provide our sense of taste. Your taste buds are located in the papilla, which are the bumps on your tongue. Macrovilli are tiny hairs found inside the papilla. Send messages to your brain about how something tastes. The average person has around 10,000 taste buds. They are replaced every 2 weeks. But as you age, past 50 years, your buds stop replacing themselves as often. This is why our favorite foods tend to change as we age. The tongue is not the only organ responsible for the sense of taste. Your nose also plays a role in detecting the taste of food. As you are chewing, the food releases chemicals that travel to your nose. These chemicals travel to our olfactory receptors and work with our taste buds to create the true flavor of the food. Your tongue can recognize 5 flavors. These flavors are sweet, salty, bitter, sour, and umami, which is your tongue's ability to recognize amino acids. Amino acids make up protein, so most refer to umami as a meaty taste. The edges of our tongue are far more receptive to taste when compared to the middle of our tongue. Of the 5 flavors, we are most sensitive to bitter foods. This powerful ability to sense bitterness is hardwired into our brains as a protective measure against eating foods that might be poisonous to us. Being one of the strongest muscles in the body, flavor isn't all that the tongue can pick up on. Recognizing temperature and texture are also among many of the talents that the tongue possesses. The sense of taste is the primary sense people use in determining whether or not they like and will eat a food. But research shows us that increased exposures to an unfamiliar food make it more likely that people are willing to accept it into their diets. One study noted, perhaps the most important determinant of a child's liking for a particular food is the extent to which it is familiar. Put simply, children like what they know and they eat what they like. Because, as that same research noted, studies of children's food acceptance have indicated that repeated opportunities to taste unfamiliar foods results in increased liking and consumption. The food exposures incorporated into the Learn, Grow, Eat, and Go curriculum allow students to become more familiar with the nutrient-dense vegetables featured in the curriculum. This research and evidence-based curriculum strives to help your students develop adventurous taste buds. Related research data shows that students taking part in this curriculum showed increases in vegetable preference and vegetable consumption. As the CDC recognized, there is a host of evidence linking healthy eating and physical activity with academic achievement. Learn, Grow, Eat, and Go is an integrated program supporting healthy eating, physical activity to maximize academic gain, and positive behavioral change for students. To learn more about the research study evaluating components of this curriculum project, go to jmgkids.us/LGEG.